how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute Santa. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you don't know how to draw, and you're like, what's going on? Oh my God, where am I? What? You will be able to draw this. It's only 8 minutes. So stay around the entire video. 8 minutes is super short for a drawing. So that's it. Let's go through it step by step. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This channel is entirely dedicated to Halloween and Christmas, okay? Mostly Halloween. I would say about 75% Halloween, 25% Christmas. But, yeah, you're going to love it, all right? Here through the year, let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing Santa's mustache. Oh, also, but like I said, don't forget to hit the bell notification. That's really important. Go over here, draw the top of the mustache right here. Curve for the top of the mustache. Go over here on this side. Draw the other side of the mustache. Okay, doing pretty good. Gonna go over here and start with a swirl on this side for the end of that mustache. Go on this side over here, swirl on this. All right, here, curve. Over here, curve. Line here, line here. We're trying the edge of the beard. Going to go over here and draw a line down right here for the side of the face, down over here, and it's going to curve underneath, and then pull up. Curve for the top of that hat, that cute hat. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm sorry. That adorable hat. We're gonna do right now. Out over here. So this is the brim of that Christmas hat. Out over here, up. Out over here, up. Curve on the top area, down. I'm going to go over into the eyes, and I'm about to draw one eye like that. Looks like Paper Mario. One eye like that. Fill that in. Cool. Let's draw some eyebrows sticking underneath here. Right there. Right there. Okay, doing good. Let's go over here and draw the top of that hat over here. So curve, top of that hat, down. Over here, the ball. Right there, ball of that hat. Okay, now let's start drawing his body. Right here, I'm going to start over here, line out for one hand, go over here, out for the other arm. So the arm, I don't know why I can't say hand. Down, in, curve for the belly, curve for the belly. Let's go over here and draw, well, before he's like this handless creature, we got to draw gloves on him. So I'm going to go here and draw right there for the thumb, right here for his mitten hand, and I'm going to fill that in. Go over here on this side, bam, for that thumb, boom, right here for this mitten hand as well. Let's draw his mouth open. Ha 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 ha. You know, that's nice. I'm going to go right here and draw the belt. So it's going to be just like this rectangle. Right there. And a square inside. And I'm going to draw a line out over here. Line out. down, down, and finish that belt. Heck yeah. Woo! Right on. Down a little bit, down a little bit. And he's got that little edge of, what do you call it? It's like the edge of the coat has this little frill on it. He's coming to life. Downward, downward for his legs. And curve for his little, almost like booty feet kind of legs. Fill it in. Whew. And there you go. That is pretty much it. Oh, actually, there's one more thing. I'm sorry. Whoops. Sorry. Edit that. Line down here. It's going to be the center of the jacket, right? It's going to come all the way down. Right on. There you go. That is a cute Santa, cartoon Santa. It's one of many versions I'm going to be putting on this channel. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, hit that like. I keep forgetting to say that. Hit that like. Also, I'm going to put a video lesson in the description. Go check that out. I do lessons on Skillshare. Right now, they're completely free. If you sign up, that gives you about a month for free. I'm going to put that link in the description. Go check that out. The first, I think, 100 people that click on it get it for, like I said, for free, that first month for free. Otherwise, definitely share the video if you enjoyed it. Sharing the video, what it does is actually helps the channel out, helps it grow. I'd like to get this channel to maybe I don't know where we're at right now, but I'd like to get this channel to 100,000 followers at some point. It'd be kind of amazing to do so, to have like a seasonal channel do that. But yeah, everybody's been super nice. I really appreciate everybody just being amazing to me. And yeah, I'd like to thank you very, very much. And say hi to me in the comments if you can even hear this. Because if you can hear this, that means you're here the whole lesson. The lesson was like shorter than 8 minutes, right? It was like 6 minutes. But yeah, that is it. One thing I want to leave you with is I want you to remember that when you start learning, when you learn this stuff, stay positive. When you're in the positive mindset and you actually see how fun this is, when you see how fun this is, it is incredibly easy. It's incredibly easy to get better at art when it's fun to do, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're amazing. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon. That is all, okay? Talk to you later. All right? See you soon.